Today, we're disassembling an iPhone 7 Plus with a dead battery. Let's start with the home button. We'll replace its flex cable and go through the disassembly process. I'll unscrew these two top screws, which are actually located at the bottom here. I've got my iFixit toolkit out. It works on all devices. Use a hairdryer to heat it up. This iPhone opens up just like a book, and it looks like no one's ever taken it apart before. Everything is nice and clean. Here's the original battery. Use a screwdriver to remove it, cleaning up any leftover silicone adhesive as you go. First, unscrew all the screws holding the battery connector plate. They vary in size. It's best to take care of this now. Disconnect the front camera flex and remove the battery. Start by disconnecting the battery and all the flex cables. Then, remove the screws from the vibration motor. Starting from the bottom, we need to remove this area near the speaker. This is the vibration motor we just attached. Now around the battery. Attach a taped-down section of the battery underneath to help remove the silicone. Three silicone strips or pads. You can wrap them around an object. Pull it out. If it's stuck, give the battery another quick heat before trying again. We just took out the battery. This is what our repair kit contains. There's a silicone pad and sticks under the battery, which are there due to the notch. Use alcohol. Let's clean it up, inspect the battery, and ensure it's properly positioned. Let's talk about applying the stickers. There are only two, so clean the area and make sure there's no residue. I'm removing the glue residue from the case with some 99% isopropyl alcohol. There's some leftover silicone here. Use your tweezers to remove it. Now, peel off the sticker from the blister pack. Set it up correctly now to avoid issues when removing the battery later. Got it. Take off the cover, slide it into place, tuck in the edges, and test it again. Let's get started with reassembly. First, put the vibration motor in. This part should be straightforward. Next, we'll replace the home button's flex cable. We need Start by removing the protective metal screen. If you're just replacing the flex cable, you shouldn't run into any problems. But if you swap out the home button and it doesn't respond correctly, you'll need to address the flex cable. Let's go ahead and swap it out. I'll cut the old one out and install the new one. Okay, starting to remove the old one now. Let's install the new flex cable, which comes with an adhesive strip. Next, I'll remove the home button screws. We're all set now. Now reconnect the flex cables and reattach the plate. Secure it with screws. Be prepared for potential issues here. Near the speaker, there's a tiny little clip that can be tough to reach. Next, I'll remove the speaker to speed up assembly a bit. Let's also wipe away any grease marks. It's time to reassemble it. Start by connecting the cables, and don't forget to attach the battery cable first. We connect it last to prevent a short circuit. Make sure the silicone pad it should fit perfectly so double check that it's in the right place and gently press on the edges. Next, I'll remove the gaskets and the protective film, being cautious not to lift any silicone adhesive. First, let's put the metal shield back over the flex cable, then we'll tighten the screws. Let's power on the phone now and make sure everything's working properly. Looks good. We're all set to finish up. Make sure to put the screws in their places during reassembly so they're easy to screw back in. That's because they come in different shapes, so it's crucial to align the screen correctly the first time. Make sure the silicone seal fits tightly on all sides, as this model is water resistant. Checked water resistance. Home button works fine. Battery is fully charged. All good. Thanks.